Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from bullynow.com.au, bringing you all the great coins and bars shipped to you worldwide, right here from in Melbourne.
That's it.
How are you, Rubes?
Pretty good, pretty good. We got a nice sunny day out there.
We do.
We're still by the window, enjoying the sunshine while it lasts.
What are we doing?
We got 3 boxes, and I'm actually not sure. You've been keeping some of these upcoming unboxings a bit of a mystery from me.
This one you should already know.
This one over there?
This one you should already know.
I forgot my ability to see through cardboard. I'm guessing silver by the weight. By that weight.
It is silver. And we have far more than 3 boxes of these.
All right.
So don't stress, because they are going to be a little bit popular.
Ooh.
So you realise everyone else knows what it is, Rubes.
Well, if they can read the title and also read the writing that's there upside down.
Ah, it's upside down, Miss Jane.
I think it says Trump.
It does. So, dum. Oh, didn't work, did it? Let's try again.
Take 2.
There we go.
Yeah.
I'll even get a glove. So we have a couple of several thousand of these come in. I can't tell you exactly how many, but it's in the thousands. Don't think that makes that much difference, because they will go fairly fast.
And they have done in the past, and I would suggest continue to do so.
So I believe this will be our last shipment of Trumps. I don't think they're going to run them again. So the 1 ounce Trump, you will have seen them before. Last time we had 1s, 2s and 5s.
Yes.
And if you're watching this just as it's released, you may find on the website there are still some 2s and 5 ounce coins, because we have a few left over from cancelled orders.
They're going to disappear quick, I'm sure.
They will disappear incredibly quickly. Please don't email if they're not on the web, because it means that they are done and dusted and long gone. But we now have the 1 ounce Trump. We have at least... I can see 3 boxes out there, 3 boxes in here. Each box holds 500, so we have at least 3,000 of them.
There you go.
And that's just what I can see at the moment. So we're not going to sell out of the 1 ounce. We won't sell out instantaneously. It will take a week or two, so you've got a little bit of time to get yourself organised with it, but they will sell out fairly fast. And like I said, I will be amazed if we ever get these back in again. Do you remember how many's in a tube?
I want to say 25, based on the type of medallion tubing there, but
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 20 in a tube.
Aha! I stand completely corrected.
Is that right? 25. We're going for 500. There's 20 in a tube.
There you go.
My maths has not failed me this morning, even if it is this afternoon.
That's a quote there. I like that one. That's iconic. We should roll with that.
Alrighty. So yeah, get them while you can. Like I said, they'll take a week or two to sell out, but as far as I'm aware, that's it. We're done and dusted.
For all of those of you in the comments typing up a message about, I don't want a Trump coin, yada, 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 the amount of people that came into the store that said, I'm not buying this, not for me, but for someone I know who doesn't like Trump.
So many of them being given
so
to.
Be careful what you wish for, or rather don't wish for, because you might have a friend that's out there going, that's my comment on that.
If you know someone that doesn't like Trump, do we have a present for you?
That's it. Get his face on a silver round.
All right, that's it for now. Talk again soon. See ya.
See ya.